Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Facebook. So for this, let's open our Facebook app. So once the app is open, now click on the menu on the top right corner. Now click on your profile and from there you will find this mini camera icon on your profile. Click on it. So once you click, you will be directed to your camera roll. So here I will click on allow access and then you will be directed to your gallery. So from here you can choose the image that you want to post as your profile picture. So here I will go with this one. So from here you can add any description or any caption. So I will go with simple emojis here. So let me add the emojis. Okay. Now, if you don't want to share this picture on your feed, so you can uncheck this box and now simply click on save on the top right corner and then your profile picture will be updated. Now here swipe down to refresh your page and once you refresh the page, your profile picture is updated. In this way, you can change profile picture on Facebook. This is it for today's video. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.